Good morning, class 5. I am your SST teacher. Students, today we are starting our week 11. As you know, we are on our chapter How Laws Are Made. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss a very important topic about the rights and about responsibilities. Students, when we talk about the rights, we cannot talk about the rights without responsibilities or without duties. Let us discuss them one by one. Right mean something that we deserve. A right is a freedom to do something. By birth, humans have certain rights. Not only humans, in fact. All the living things, including animals and plants, have rights. Some rights are given by religion and some rights are given by society. If we talk about the rights that are given to everyone by religion, is that all the living things, including plants and animals, they have right to live. No one can harm others without any reason. You cannot even harm animals. They have a right to live. Similarly, there are certain rights that are given to us by society and by our constitution. These are called the rights. Rights mean something that you deserve and that you should get. No one can take away your right from you. But when we talk about the rights, there are duties as well. For example, if we talk about kids, let us talk about the rights and the duties of the kids. As a kid, you have certain rights. For example, a right to live a peaceful life, a right that no one can harm you and no one should hurt you. This is your right, and no one can take away this right from you. But rights come with duties. You also have many duties towards other persons. And your duties are the rights of other people. And as much as we need our right, we also need to fulfill those duties. For example, it is your duty to respect your parents and your teachers. It is your duty to be truthful, to be honest. It is your duty that you shouldn't harm any other person or even animal. So these rights and duties, they go hand in hand. When we are living in a country, we are given certain rights by our constitution, and our constitution protects our rights. Let us start reading what are rights and responsibilities. In democracy, people have certain rights. Democracy means when all the people, they make decisions together. No one forces them to take a decision. People, they live together, they make decisions together, and then they work together. This is called democracy. Our rights are protected by constitution. When we exercise mean when we take our rights, it affect other people. That is why every right brings responsibility. I have explained few of the rights and few of the responsibility. We must take care not to hurt other people when we are enjoying our rights. Now let us talk about few rights and responsibilities. You have right to express your opinion. Opinion means if you consider something wrong or something bad, you have a right to call it bad, and no one can stop you from expressing your opinion. But it is also your duty to listen other person's opinion respectfully. Even if you don't agree with the other person, you have no right to insult them on the basis of their opinion. You are free to have your opinion, The same way other people are also free to have their opinion. You may not agree with them, but you will listen to them respectfully. You have a right to protest against a law that you think is unfair. If there is a law and you think it's not fair, you can protest against it. But there is a duty associated with it. Not to harm the property or anyone when you are protesting. You see, sometimes when people are protesting, they are burning tires, they are damaging the property, they are damaging the cars, buses and vehicles on the road, which is not the right way. You have no right to damage anyone's property or anyone's life. You have a right to protest, but harming or hurting others during that protest is not a right thing, and it is your duty to keep it in your mind and to practice the safe protest. Vote for your leaders. You can vote to whomever you consider is the right person. And duty to learn about the candidate. It is your duty to vote for the right person. You know, a vote is a very heavy duty. You are selecting a person that is going to run your country, which is not a matter of joke. So it is your duty to know about a person and then vote for him or for her. You cannot go just and vote for the person carelessly, because it's a very important matter. Practice your religion. Whatever your religion is, you are free to practice it, and no one can stop you from it. And the duty is that to allow other people from other religion to practice their religion or the belief. You are free to practice your religion, and other people, they are free to practice their religion, and it is your duty to respect their religion and not to stop them from practicing their religion. To be safe, it is your right that you should be safe in the public and even in your homes. No one can enter your home, no one can harm you. You should be saved, and your duty is not to do anything that put the safety of others at risk. For example, when you are road and you are driving a car or the bike, it is your duty to take care of the other people on the road, whether they are in cars or whether they are pedestrians. Have privacy. It is your right to have the privacy. If you want to keep certain matters private, it is your right. But it is also your duty to respect others' privacies. As much as you have a right on the privacy, so the other people also have the right on it. Be treated fairly. It is your right to be treated fairly without any discrimination, but it is also your duty to treat other people in the same way, fairly. Speak freely. You are free to speak. No one can tell you or stop you from expressing your opinion, but it is a very, very, very important duty that you should not hurt other people with your words. You know, words are like weapons. You should be careful in using your words. Words can seriously harm other people. So you should be very, very careful when you are talking. Though you are free to speak, but that doesn't mean you are free to hurt other people. Be very careful with your words. Be treated with respect. It is your right that you should be treated with respect. In the same way, it is also your duty that you should respect others, whether they are elders or they are youngers. Even animals should be treated respectfully. It is their right that you shouldn't hurt them, you shouldn't abuse them. These are certain rights and responsibilities. And you know, if you are not fulfilling your responsibilities or your duties, then you will not be able to ask for your rights. If you want your rights to be fulfilled, it is necessary that all of us follow our duties and we fulfill them. So students, this was your today's lesson. I hope it is clear. But in case of any difficulty, you can always ask me, and you are welcome. Thank you so much, students. Take care.